Hi guys, welcome back to Dishing and Baking and learn how to make soft, fluffy and beautifully shaped fancy bread rolls right at home. Yes, right at home. These rolls are golden on the outside. They are light and airy on the inside and perfect for breakfast and tea time or a special occasion with simple ingredients and easy steps. Make sure guys you watch step by step how I'm doing it so that you can be able to make your own. You can create a bakery style bread rolls that are both delicious and impressive. Whether you enjoy them plain with butter or filled with your favorite spread, these homemade fancy bread rolls will quickly become a family favorite. So guys, make sure you watch steps by step how I'm doing it and make sure you make your own at home and let me know what you think about this recipe at the on the comment section. As you can see guys, how I'm doing it, make sure you watch the whole video and see all the steps so that you can make some for your family. So guys, welcome. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel in case you haven't subscribed. And at this step, I've finished making my dough. I'm gonna put it on the side for 2 hours for it to double the size, and at this point it has already doubled the size. Let's now cut the dough to a required sizes. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of flour on the surface, then I start portioning my dough. So guys, make sure you watch the whole video and go watch my other videos. I have other videos that I've made bread rolls, but for this one I'm making fancy ones. So make sure you go watch even the other ones so that you can learn how to make bread roll. And with this recipe, you don't have to go buy bread out there, you just make it at home with these very simple steps, and the ingredients you find them at home. The only ingredient that you need to go for to buy that you don't have at home, maybe yeast, because you need yeast to make a bread. So we're making this a small doughs. See how I'm folding them, and then you learn how to make some for your family. So as we portion the dough, guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe in case you haven't subscribed, and leave a message for me. Let me know what you think about this video. So I've already oiled my tin, so I'm placing the dough on the tin. This tin I use it to make my muffins or even cupcakes, big cupcakes. So this is where I'm baking my fancy bread rolls in. So after we put them in, we're gonna put it cover it again, put it aside for 20 minutes or until they again double the size before we put them in the oven. At least 20 to 30 minutes they will have doubled the size. So I go ahead and cover them and leave them to rest. Then after 25 minutes, we're putting them in the oven for 20 minutes, and there you go guys, our bread is ready. As you can see, it looks nice and yummy, and they are soft and fluffy. And let's cut this one and see how they look inside. You can see guys, it's well done, looks soft, fluffy, and they're nice and sweet. So make sure you make some for yourselves, guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you go check out my other videos, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me see you on another video. Bye bye, guys.